Windows everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain you the two Python functions. The first function is def function and the second function is foreign range function. So I'm going to start from foreign range function. Why? Because this function has a less explanation than def function. Def function's explanation is a little bit more than foreign range explanation. Before starting action, I want you to subscribe and put like to my channel. And if you are a new watcher in my channel, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and make sure that you pressed the notification button to get informed when I will upload a new video to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so now what you have to do, go to the desktop and create a new folder and call it anything which you want. In my condition, it's going to be tutor. Great. So then you have to open this folder and create here the text file. So you can create a text file in desktop, then you can transfer it to this folder which you created, but it's going to take a lot of time. I recommend you to open the folder and create the text file inside of this folder. So let's give a name to this folder, main. And change the txt format to the py format. Then press the enter and open this main.py with PyCharm. So if you don't have a PyCharm, if your computer doesn't support a PyCharm, you can use Simple Python. It's gonna work with Simple Python too. So trust project. Then we're gonna wait for its opening. So you have to select your folder and wait a little while until your workspace will be completely downloaded. Then after choosing Python interpreter, so in my condition is a Python 3.6, we have to wait a little while. And until this uploading, I want to talk about my second Minecraft channel. We are making a great games, so if you're interested in, link will be in the description down below. So now I'm just gonna explain you foreign range function. So you have to write here for e in range. So the number which you want to write, for example, in my condition, I want to write here 10 and then print, look, to the place I, you can write your name, you can write everything which you want, but in order that you will write to the print sign this word which you wrote here. For example, in my condition, it's going to be Ikram, and then if I wrote here Ikram, I have to write here Ikram too. And then after doing everything, I'm just pressing the run button, and as you can see, we see here the numbers. So why from 0 to 9? Because we wrote the 10. Because if you will count these 0 to all these numbers is gonna make 10, and you can count it too. If you will delete the 0 and start count from 1, you're gonna get 9 numbers, but the program is starting from 0. So you can write here 1 and 10. Then let's look what's gonna happen. As you can see, so now it's giving you the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. That's all, 9 numbers starting count from 1. So what did that mean? 10 minus 1. Yes, as you can see, if you will count these all numbers, you will get 9 numbers. But if you don't write here nothing, you're gonna get a clear 10 number. Alright guys, so this was a foreign range function. So let's talk about def function. What is def function? For example, I'm writing here def greeting. You can write here everything and put the 2 signs and write here print hello world. So what did that mean? That means that you created the folder inside the Python console and renamed it to the greeting. As you can see, I'm creating a new folder here and renaming it to the greeting, right? That's all guys. This is a very simple to understand. Then you put the print hello world inside this greeting folder. As you can see, inside of the tutor folder I have a .idea and main.py, and now you created the def function and created the folder and give the name greeting to this folder. Then you put the print hello world inside this greeting file. Then let's just create the second def folder, and let's just name it Hello Tutor. And in order that you will write all words together, or if you want to make a difference, if you want to put the difference between two words, you have to put the underline here. So you can't completely divide the two words from each other. So then you have to write inside of this folder print hello, and that's all. So you can write everything here. Then I'm creating the a equals to the int input box, and I write here write number. And after writing a number, if a will be equal to the 1, print greeting. So what did that mean? After opening the console, if my a box will accept the 1 number, so it's gonna open the greeting file and show you hello world. But elif, what is elif? Elif equals to the if. So if you want to use the if a lot of times, you have to swap it in a second time of using to the elif. For example, you're writing if a equals to the 1, and the second one you have to write elif b equals 1, and the third time, fourth time you have to write elif. And now I want to write here elif a equals to the 2. Then I want to see in my screen the inside of the folder hello tutor, as you can see. So if we will run this script, you will see here write number, and we have to write here number 1, and as you can see hello world. And why none? Because we put inside these signs empty, and when you keeping this empty you get none. So we're going to talk about def function more serious in the next tutorials. It will depend on how you will support my video, and will you write the comments about your program mistakes, about computer problem, and you're gonna make me also happy. Alright guys, so if we will restart our script and write here the second number 2, you're gonna get hello. So you set the file, open the second folder, and print inside of this folder hello. So what we can do then, so we can compare the foreign range with def function. So let's just take everything back. All right, I'm sorry, let's take everything back, and let's just write here for e in range, for example 10. All right, we can write the 100. Let's just write, so it's gonna show you to the screen from 0 to the 99, and so that's why let's just write 101. So I love 100 number. So now you have to write here print, I'm sorry, you have to write here print I. Great. So if you will start the script right now and write here 1, you will get in a screen the numbers from 0 to the 100, as you can see guys. So this is not difficult as you think. You have to understand the functions of programming. So when I just started to learn program, I thought that program is something magical, but when you're just starting to learn it, you understand, no, program is really nice idea taker. So you go in here and you just order to the computer to do what you want. All you need is just know the language. For example, I know English language, and if you know the Cyber City language, I mean the computer language, you are computer's captain. You can order to the computer to do almost everything which you want. Alright guys, so that was my today's video. I think that you loved my video, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel to get more information about this, and I love you guys. See you next time.